I am going to be showing you a new website that a lot of people do not know about because I recently just discovered this one. And Money Makers, let me tell you, is going to pay you between $15 to $20 per website per review. So basically, you get paid to test websites on it, and it's called UserPeek. So you can sign up and visit a website or a mobile app, complete a set of tasks thinking out loud, and then you get paid. So all you got to do is go to userpeak.com/get paid to test websites /. And I will leave the link in the description for you so you'll be able to actually do that. Now, this is very important that you pay close attention to this. You're gonna click register now, and it's gonna take you to fill out all the information to start making money. So you're gonna put a username, you're gonna put an email, you're gonna put a password, and all of that good stuff. And then once you sign up for it, it's gonna log you into your account, and you're gonna have different projects. You're gonna have different websites or different projects to be able to do. And so this is when you're testing websites, they really want to know, do you like the design of it? So you need to be thinking out constantly out loud. Just say if you was a regular user of the website, how would you feel if you went onto the website and the colors is always blinding your face, or it's always some type of defect with it, or you can't never get onto the website? Those are the functionalities and features that they're going to be asking for you to test. And if you give them lackluster answers, then you're not going to get paid. So it's very important that you do your due diligence to really pay attention and slow down and don't go fast. This is not the type of one of those focus groups where you just give your opinion and you don't have no thought to it. This one, they really want you to pay attention to everything, very detail oriented, and pay attention to everything that they're asking you and an instruction or whatever they ask for. You have to make sure you do it because if you don't do it, you're not going to get your $15 to $20 per website review. It's very important that you follow those directions. Do not come on my page saying I didn't get the money or I didn't do this. This website is really new to me, but I have heard good things about it, so I will suggest it to you guys. Let me know if this is something that you want to do. Have you tested websites before? Have you gotten paid from it? What has been your experience from it? This is a really good, lucrative, and they have a whole bunch of other ones that I'm going to get to throughout the weeks too, that I'm not going to get into today. But I just wanted you to know about this particular one that is very important that you and then once you sign up for it, you can go ahead and put in your email and your password and then log on in, and they'll have different projects and website things that you can test out. But I'm not going to hold you too long. Just let me know if this works out for you. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
We all used to heard of MySpace. MySpace used to be popping back in the day in the early 2000s. It's no longer exists anymore. So now we have a new platform that replaced it, and it's called Livespace, not MySpace. Livespace. And so as you can see here, you can go ahead and go to Livespace and you can join the thousand of other creators on this all new social media streaming platform. So you can go live like you can on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that. And if you are a gaming channel or if you are a blogging channel or a football channel or whatever type of niche you're in, this is a platform that you can use to utilize that and start earning revenue. And as you can see here, you can earn real income. Thousands of people are earning money on this website alone. They no longer have to go on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook to earn their coins. It's a whole lot of other websites in this world that a lot of people essentially do not know about. They do not know about these particular websites. So I'm here to tell you that this does exist. You can earn real income. You get paid subscriptions from fans with a simple 15% fee. And so what that means is that they are going to take 15% of out of whatever you make. So if you made $30, you times that by 0.15, and that's what you're gonna get after they take that 15% fee out. You can set up paywall content. You can post member exclusive content for your subscribers. So if you want only certain people to um, watch certain specific content and have them pay additional fees, you can do that and earn money on top of the money that you're already earning. And it's daily payout. So you can get paid the next day with zero minimum requirements of threshold. And what that means that after they take out that 15% fee, you can get all your money out and you don't have to wait. And then the best part about it is unlimited streaming. You know how some platforms actually have where you have to limit your number of streaming like 8 hours a day or less than that? This platform is unlimited streaming and it's free 4K 60 frames per second, which is good, and that's what you want for your live streaming to make sure that your live streaming is flowing well and that there's no disruptions. So as you can see, you can go live anytime from the link at your live.space/you. So this is another way to bring or find potential, subscribers or followers over to this platform and then convert them over to YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook and earn even more money on top of that. So I just wanted to kind of bring this to your attention. You can really start building income on this Livespace. I don't think a lot of people know about Livespace, but it's here to stay and it's no longer MySpace. So if you ever try to find that website, do not go there because you won't find it. It's obsolete. It's gone. Livespace is the way to go. Other than that, I don't want to bore you with the same outro. Have a good day, money makers. I'm going to say have a blessed, prosperous, wondrous weekend and week. Night, day, wherever you're at. And I just want you guys to know that it's been really good rocking with you guys. I enjoy the live streams. I enjoy you telling me how to improve. I really do enjoy every bit and every one of over 200 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot more in the future for you. I just gotta get a lot more people that wants to come on and do live sits with me and talk about their money experiences because I'm really looking for having a one-on-one interviews and stuff like that. But I gotta find these people and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna hold you guys too much longer. You have a great and wonderful day. Monday, money makers. Bye.